guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss that how we can change the Skype name so on the cell phone in 2020. Still you do not like and subscribe, the first go and like and subscribe my channel. So we are going to discuss that how we can change the Skype name. So here two names are coming FE. So I will click here on chats. Okay, I will click here on setting. After the setting I will click accounts and profile. After that click on your profile. Here is a written, click on your profile. By this you can change your profile name by your cell phone. Still you do not like and subscribe, so first go and like and subscribe so you can change by here. You can put the name. Thank you for watching. Allah.